Hi everyone, this is Katie here. Today is November 12th, 2025. It's a Wednesday, the third trading day of the week. So let's take a look at how the portfolio is doing here. We look at VIX, the CBOE Volatility Index, plus 3.8%. It means that the market is experiencing a bearish price action here. What are the stocks that I'm monitoring here? For today, it's NBIS and AMD and also POET here. They have more than 2% moves, which are quite significant here. So, managed to do some hedges and also keep on monitoring these three counters. So, what are the trades that's in place here for today? Okay, let's take a look. First of all, actually bought $95 NBIS November 28 and start to hedge it at 6.4 debit here. Then saw that NBIS is going towards downwards price action. So I bought back NBIS November 21, 2025, $100 put at a debit of 7.2, and then I switched counter to POET, and then I sold 200 contracts for November 28 at $5 here, a credit of 0.38. So total, it's a credit of 7.6, net credit of 0.4, I would say, for doing so. So this is one strategy of switching counters from NBIS to POET here. Next, I saw NBIS call because NBIS generally has a bearish price action here. So just to get some additional cash flow in for NBIS. And this is a pseudo naked call here. So if NBIS really gets back to 120, I will have the cash to purchase this stock and then to fulfill the uh, assignment. Next, what I did is that I start to roll NBIS from December to January 16, December 19 to January 16. Got a credit of about 62 cents here. So this is one of the strategies to banish this stock to further expiration date out so that it gives it time to recover back to its strike price here. Fundamentally wise, NBIS still looks good, but then the price action it's a bit bearish, I would say. So I just want to prevent any hassle. I just banish it about 2 months later, and then keep it out of sight, and then I'll revisit it again. Um, well, I closed my NBIS puts here because actually it rebound back, but then it dips further. So shouldn't have done this, but anyway, it's a credit getting 6.1, but overall it's a net debit of 0.3 here for doing so. Uh, And AMD, close my AMD puts here at 0.02 and 0.01 here. So at the end of the day, I bought back the puts because I forgot that there is a CPI news releasing on Friday. So it's an overall net debit of 0.01, which is 1 USD here. And also, I bought more anti-hedges puts here for NBIS expiring this Friday at 75 here, about 0.13. This is that debit of 0.13 here. And so that I will have a good night's sleep for these next 2 days. In case if CPI the results is a bit hawkish, so that's why. But anyway, um this intent here is to ensure that there's enough accessibility here. So I think my accessibility is about 20 to 30% of my entire portfolio, which is a sign or indicator for me to weather through the storm here. The point is not to have accessibility to zero, in not be forced to liquidate all my positions. So in order to maintain positive accessibility, I will just keep on adding cash into this account, or I will sell pseudo nickel calls to get cash into the account because this will boost up accessibility. Or I will start rolling my options position to further up and lower strike price here. This will also release some margin here, which boosts my accessibility. And also with the extra theta here from rolling, I will also get additional cash, which will also increase my accessibility. And of course, have to look at some counters that miss this chaos here that there are some counters who are bullish, so that if I can get these counters expire out of the money here, I also free up more accessibility. So overall, it's still a net credit for today. And let's see how it goes. So remember to like this YouTube video or subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell. And have a good day, everyone. Signing off here.